Day 4 arrived and it was time for us to pack up the RV and head to Montgomery, Alabama. We were going on another factory tour.
We've been waiting to tour this factory for a very long time. We love the products, we love the people. It was time to see how it's all made.
We're here at Kinpak, which is our manufacturing facility. This is really what drives the heart of all those new products, all that new technology.
This is where we make over 240 individual unique blends. We make all sorts of different types of soaps. You'll actually see equipment to blend different oils, different oil weights behind you as well. We cover a huge range of products here inside of Kinpak, and it all happens in this very efficient space that we lovingly call blending.
Pretty much everything that goes on an RV or a boat, we can produce and we can make and we can bring it to market with a predominant amount of produced right here in Alabama.
This new machine tripled our production speed. That's right, we were running about 97, 98 bottles a minute before. This machine can run up to 300 bottles a minute now.
Oh my God.
We're in the lab today, and this is the center of the plant because everything is really geared about innovation, but also quality. We touched on quality, but that's really a big component. Again, checking all the raw materials, checking the finished blends. But part of quality as well, when you get into it, is every product has an 800 number on it. And when you call our 800 number, a human being answers the phone, and you're gonna talk to a person. They're gonna be able to talk to you about this specific product, your uses, and answer the question.
So you're gonna load me up with all of this?
Absolutely. We've also noticed that the new RVer is a lot more cognizant of the need to protect their investments. RV prices, the quality level. A lot of what we've been doing is just developing products that make it easier and more efficient for people to clean their vehicles, but also make sure that it lasts.
Parker and I are so excited to start building towards this new AI future that some people are scared of, but we really see it as enhancing Kinpak, and we're constantly seeing improvements every single day.
And obviously one of the biggest things we have in RV is bugs.
Yep.
Yeah.
You know, and getting into some of the stuff for removing bugs safely, but also protecting against it. We've talked about before a trip, getting a speedy detailer and just doing the front of your rig. And it's incredible how fewer bugs stick, how less splatter you get, and how easier they are to clean at the end of or in the middle of a trip. Our mantra is clean and protect. It's just looking at how do we safely clean and protect those vehicles and those surfaces for some of the unique applications that, again, an RVer or a boater is going to find them.
That was a cool factory tour.
I know. I got the keys, I can open a hatch for the product, but I thought Greg was gonna get you some product.
Oh, it's coming.
Okay, all right, I can get that. What?
Hey, Kev, I got all that stuff Patrice asked for. Where you want it?
I think we're gonna need a bigger hatch.
Hi, Patrice. I got the rest of the boxes.
Right here, right here. Come on, come on.
Oh
Nice.
my gosh. Oh,
Oh,
wow.
that was awesome.
Why haven't we done this before? That was fantastic.
From the boxes to the bottles to the product, they make everything.
Made in America, right here in Montgomery,
Oh, I
Alabama.
loved it. This was a fun week. What was your favorite part?
Well, definitely Talladega for me. I've never been that close to a race. You can really feel it. Thank you to Colleague Racing, Matt and Chris, for getting us up in the pit there and be able to listen to their headset. Cheehaw was really nice too. What was your favorite?
I love Talladega too. Thank you, Campers Inn, for getting us in. Meeting the drivers, I was a little starstruck. So cool. I'm gonna say Cheehaw State Park. That first night sunset hike with you though, it was gorgeous.
The tallest spot in Alabama, Cheehaw State Park. We will be back.
Oh yes, they call it Sweet Home Alabama, but I'm ready to get to our sweet home.